Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Indian restaurant style starter, that is Lehsuni Paneer Tikka or garlic paneer tikka. This tastes so delicious and makes for the perfect starter. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl take 1/3 cup of curd. To that add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon of Carrom seeds or Ajwain, 1 tablespoon of Kasoori methi, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Mix everything well. Finally add juice of 1/4 of a lemon and give it a mix. Then add 300 grams of paneer cut in cubes, 1 capsicum and 1 onion. I have diced them. Then coat well with the marinade. Finally add 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan and mix well. Rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes it's well marinated now. Take a skewer and arrange the capsicum, onion and paneer on it. Prepare all the skewer sticks like so. Then heat oil on a grill pan. You can also use normal pan if you want. Place the paneer skewers on it. Add the leftover marinade on top. Rotate and cook till charred from all sides. See how beautifully our paneer tikka is grilled. This tastes so delicious with the overpowering garlic taste, and this is totally restaurant style starter. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.